Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm Pastor O and I'm back with another update on the 99 RT Kota. Okay, today we're going to be working on fixing these stripped out caliper holes. Okay, somebody, as you can see, I've already gotten the brake caliper off and I'm already getting ready to, as you can clearly see, put the die in and put me some threads back in there. You can see stabilizer links, tie rod ends, rack and pinion, and all that stuff has been changed, but somebody really torqued down on these brake caliper holes and stripped them straight out. This is common, I imagine, on these 99 Dakotas, so I'm putting them back in. We're also going to be taking this bolt right here loose, and we're going to set the toe in, because as I took it on a test drive, I discovered that I'm towed out on both sides. So we're going to have to just loosen this bolt, twist this rod right here. You can see the rod anyway. And that's going to bring the toe in. And we may even end up going to a wheel alignment shop just to make it perfect. Okay. Well, and we've done the same thing over here on this side, except it's just being prepped to get ready for the work that we're about to do. Okay, and now you can see it a whole lot better, this rod right here. Once I loosen this 15/16 nut right here, okay, I'll be able to twist this rod right here, and that will, bring the toe in or take the toe out, either way. So just wanted to give you a quick update on what I'm doing. Don't have nobody here to hold the camera, and so it would be quite difficult for me to do the work and hold the camera. But I might make a second video, let you see what it looks like when it's all done. Well, what sense would that make? But anyway, this is an update on the 99 RT Kota. I'm Pastor O, and I'm out. I got work to do, like you just saw. Should be through in about a half hour to maybe an hour, but you know how it is when you work on cars, okay? Anything can happen. So God bless you, God keep you. Pastor O out. See you after the work is done.